Hi guys, we invite you to unleash your inner child because play matters. Playing with your kids isn't goofing off, especially when it comes packed with benefits for you and your little one. Here to tell us about this initiative, Group Human Resources and Industrial Relations Manager with a separate group of companies, Dr. Patrick Sterling, and Project Coordinator with Talk Up Youth, Tristan Williams. Gentlemen, good morning.
Morning.
Good to see two gentlemen here telling us to play with our children. I love that, because usually you think about it and you think moms do that or aunties do that. You know.
That's that as well.
Yeah, it's very important.
well.
So Tristan, Play Matters JA is the name of the project.
Of the campaign for the month.
You are a Talk Up Youth coordinator.
Right.
This is a brainchild of one of our co-hosts, a
Right.
family member,
Or
Empress
team
Golding.
lead, right,
Tell
Empress
me a little
Golding.
bit about the event itself, and then we'll talk to Sir Patrick about his involvement and Separate's involvement.
So as you said, it was a brainchild of our team lead and your family member here at RGR, Empress Golding, but it was largely supported and sponsored by Separate Foundation and the chairman, who is Ms. Melanie Sobrati. The concept of the month of play, or the Play Matters JA campaign, is really encouraging people to play with our children, because it's scientifically proven that play helps in the holistic development of our children. So not only from an educational aspect, but from social skills and behaviors. A 30-year research was done at the University of the West Indies, which just ended actually, that proves that children who play more earn up to 25% more in their salaries.
Is that right?
Yeah, they do.
That's
they do.
interesting. And what is the science behind that? Is that brain development?
It is
that
brain development
cognitive?
and social
Yeah.
skills.
Right.
So you would learn to work more in teams, learn to work more efficiently, think
Learn to
innovatively,
win, learn to lose.
learn to win and lose. You constantly engage your cognitive skills.
Yeah.
You know, some people say as we get older, we get a little duller.
Yeah.
But what happens is we don't engage our cognitive skills. So it starts to relax. And the skills that I would call upon to keep sharp, as they say, become almost dormant.
You know what I find interesting? We're talking about encouraging play at a time when we're talking about things like PEP.
Right.
Talking about playing with our kids when we can hardly find time for them to even eat and sleep properly because they're always in the books because of this new curriculum that everybody's getting used to and so on. But Sir Patrick, you guys are throwing your weight behind this because you think it is just that important.
Yeah, we're really committed to this.
Yeah.
We are committed to the holistic development of our children, certainly, as we try to build a strong nation. Children need balance.
Yeah?
Right. And even though they study, they still have to play to create that balance and to give parents a connection with them during the play period.
And it's just
So
as
separate is
important. You schedule time to study, you must schedule time to play.
Yes.
It's
Definitely,
important that you say, because so as a group, Separate and Talk Up Youth National, we're going into the schools. We're school tours this month. What we have done is we've brought the facts about play, and we're training and informing teachers about the play and importance. And in playing with the students as well, and saying, okay, in this game of hopscotch, we're teaching the children how to exercise their fine motor skills, how to count, identifying numbers, and using spatial math theory. You know, it's pretty amazing what we can accomplish with play.
Yeah, I
and how
heard
much
Dr.
we can
Sterling
teach them.
talking about balance because Separate Foundation, you support education.
We do support
But you're
education.
supporting this initiative as well because the two can work together.
Yes. And we talk about balance, not only to support the children through these initiatives, but our employers are involved. We have quite a number of employee volunteers who go into the schools and help with the initiative. This month in particular, we've been having our employees from, our last activity on November 6th was at Hillman Kinder Prep in Morant Bay. And we had employees from two of our companies out in St. Thomas, Golden Grove Sugar Company and Surge, participating with the students, even as the teachers were going through their own training. And we're very happy for that. And we want to embed that in the organization as part of the balance that we create for our employees.
I have seen some of the videos on social media. It is such a joy to watch the adults getting involved with the children. You know, just look at how happy the kids are. I mean, these days we think of play for the kids and we think of them on their tablets. We need to do better than that. Making them complacent, we're contributing to weight gain. They need to be active and involved and kind of up and down the place, like we were when we were kids.
That's the beautiful thing about play, is that we like to say that play is relevant and adaptable. So even though we're in a technologically savvy area, that we can use the same technology to manipulate how we play. And it's important that you said us as adults as well, because play is scientifically proven that it releases serotonin in the body, which creates, you know, euphoria and
Whatever we're
happiness
stressed,
and
man,
bliss.
we need some play.
Right.
But it
Dr.
also
Sterling,
helps-
have you played?
Yes, I did.
What have you been playing?
I played hopscotch.
Very good.
Did you win? With the girls.
You played Dandy Shandy?
Yes, Stocky, all of those games. Yes.
I love it.
And in the whole activity of play, you're able to imagine yourself in the real world.
Yes.
And the imagination is very safe.
Right. Yes.
And we find now that with complex toys and greater technology in the toys that children play with, it takes them away from the play activity outside. And so part of our initiative is to ensure that children have open spaces to play.
Yes, man.
And so they build their physical development as well, the cognitive development. We talk about the research. Research is still going on. And the research is always proving that play has a lot to do with emotion and development of children. And we're happy for that.
Yeah, man. International Day of Play is November 20.
Right.
I can only imagine what's going to be happening there.
We're actually inviting everybody to come out. So UNICEF's National Day of Play is on the 20th, which is also International Child's Day. And we are moving into the schools again. So on the 20th, we'll be at Tavares Gardens Primary in Dela Creek community. Okay. Just interacting with the parents, teachers, and students there as well.
All right. This is a fantastic initiative. Well done, Empress, as always. Your dedication to young people is just inspiring.
So the Separate Foundation is very proud to be partnering with
man, thank you to Separate for throwing your weight behind
and this forms part of our long history of supporting education across Jamaica.
Sure, certainly. Yes, Tristan, good to see you involved as a young man, getting involved with our young people. And make we all do it. Parents, guardians, play with the children, constructive, fun, run up and down, play hide and seek, dandy shandy, hopscotch, jump rope, skip rope, whatever it is. Play matters, JA, so let's do it. We've got the Group Human Resources and Industrial Relations Manager with a separate group of companies, Dr. Patrick Sterling, and Play Matters JA Project Coordinator with Talk of Butte, Tristan Williams. Empress, again, great job. More great initiatives on the other side of the break. We'll be right back with more on Smile.